In this short video, I'll demonstrate how we can add a digital signature to our conformance PDFs that we export from CivilPro. These digital signatures aren't just an image, they are a secure, verifiable digital signature that's embedded within the PDF. These digital signatures can be automatically added to a conformance report by a number of triggers. Lot status, once a lot reaches conformed, for example, a signature can be added, or when a review status is reached, a signature can be added. I'll show you what the final product looks like. Here we can see the signature that was automatically added once that conformed lot status was reached. And here we can see the signature that was added once the lot review status that we nominated was reached. To set this up from within your project, we navigate to the menu, Project Settings, Handover. And here we can see a number of handover gates that will be added to our conformance report should these gates be reached. So to do this, we can click a new handover and we'll be given a number of sources to trigger that signature being added to the conformance report. And then we set the corresponding status. I've set some up here already. So you can see this one here, I have set the source or the trigger to be when a lot reaches the conformed status. Conformed is a status, so we don't have any options to add in this status bit here. The sign-off text, that is the text that accompanies the signature on that conformance report. Here we've got another trigger point, which is when a lot review status is added. This lot review status that we have configured is administrator, reviewed, and approved. So this lot review status is limited to our client to add. So once they have added this, their signature will automatically be pulled onto that conformance report. Here is the text that goes alongside that signature on the conformance report. For more information on lot review statuses and how they are used, please word search that within our Help Center. If we just set these up in here, what will be printed on that lot conformance report is just the user's name along with that digital verification. If we also want to add our signature, we can go up into our user settings, navigate to settings and click upload signature. Don't forget to click save. Now that that's set up, I'll demonstrate what it looks like from conforming a lot to getting that review status updated and what the report looks like along the way. Here I have a lot that does not have a lot status of conformed, so I'll show you what that conformance report looks like at this stage. Here we can see no signatures have been added because neither of those gates have been reached. Now I'll conform this lot and reproduce the conformance report. And here we can see that the signature has been added for the conformed gate. However, because that lot review status has not yet been added, that is still showing up as not completed. I'm going to jump now into the client's view and approve that lot and assign it the review status of client reviewed and approved. Here we are in the client's view. We can see here that we can see that lot status is conformed and we haven't yet assigned a review status. So as the client, if they're happy with the documentation associated with that lot, they can right click here, add review and select client reviewed and approved. And remember, this is the trigger that is going to then add their signature onto that conformance report. Save review. We're now going to jump back into the contractor's view and produce that conformance report. Here we are back in the contractor's view. We can see now that that review status has been added and is showing here. And now I'm going to output the conformance report and we should see both signatures. There we are. So the contractor's signature that was applied at the conformance status and the principal's rep when the lot review status was reached. Should be noted as well, if the lot is now unconformed or the conformance is removed, that signature will no longer apply for any lot summaries that are produced thereafter. Similarly, if that lot review status is changed by any of the people that can change that, this signature will be removed. Final thing to note is the conformance report is the first document within our lot summaries. So when we are wanting to produce a lot summary with a signed conformance report, there's one additional step. I'll click that here. In the bottom left corner, I click Sign Conformance. Then click PDF and Download. Here we can see the lot summary report, and the first document here contains the conformance report, which are the two signatures. Back on the screen, we could have also exported a folio, which is a Windows file structure of all of the documentation. And we can also, instead of printing it out, save it to the file store. And this will save a version of the lot summary directly to that lot, and it will contain that signed conformance report.